It's great. And I'm going to come over because I'm going to go get all comfy with my feet.
You come on over, little lady. Please welcome our friend. Just walking in front of the camera.
Oh, did I just do that?
Like a supermodel.
Oh, did I really just walk like this in front of the... Whoa!
I tell you what, live TV.
In those fields, you're really
I
gonna
thought
need
it was
this.
over there. I thought you guys were doing
Live
that.
TV is so much fun. And let me introduce to you our friend Brooke Mills. She always brings us great products from Homedics. So when we talk about Giving's a Joy weekend, this is a gift that you can give that honestly, or maybe you're somebody who's sitting on the couch right now and you're the feet rubber in your house. And maybe you're saying, I'm tired. I don't want to rub any feet anymore. This is how you get out of it and you give a gift that they're going to love too. We've got some colors for you to choose from. Your feet. I want to show you something. These are the shoes I came to work in. I have what I like to call short girl syndrome. I like myself just better at 5'8" or 5'9", and I like to wear 5-inch heels on occasion. Well, when that happens, my feet hurt on occasion, and by that I mean every day, all day, like my job. I need to have some relaxation because Mama's Tootsies hurt at the end of the day, and this is something that I can use on any area of my foot.
Yeah, it's really unbelievable. If you come home, you take off your shoes, you put your feet on here, and in seconds you have that moment.
You do.
Because of those thousands of nerve endings that are in our feet, and this shiatsu mechanism just really feels like you have someone rubbing your feet. And there is nothing like a foot massage because when our feet hurt, our whole body hurts. So this is going to help us relax and really take you to a different place for a few moments, which I think we all need, especially around
Nancy,
the holidays.
are you having your moment?
You know what? I don't even need to listen. I'm not ready to talk.
That's exactly what I said to Brooke. I was like, I'm going to have a really hard time concentrating during this presentation because I feel like I'm in a day spa. I'm here at the queue, and I don't even have to get out of my favorite chair if I don't want to.
It's the best. Watch your fave TV show.
I know.
And what a great gift this would be for someone. I mean,
this is the gift that keeps on giving. This is the gift that keeps you out of the foot massages. Because Aaron gets so mad at me when I come home. He's like, stop wearing those shoes. I don't want to massage.
Yeah, honey, put your foot right there.
I know. You just
with or without the
get
heat.
comfortable.
Because when you get massage, you don't have the heat.
I know, and I can feel the heat, and it's subtle, but it feels so good. And in the center right here, this is what's really cool. And I think this is so cool because for $34.86, you bring the spa home. Maybe you gift this with a nice, warm, cozy rub, or even, you know, that Sunbeam heating pad. I mean, this is something that if you use that with, you would just be silly.
Yeah.
You would fall asleep on my computer in a hot minute.
But what about someone who's shoveling snow or outside all day,
Even
the landscapers? Imagine just coming inside.
It's tall, Nancy, so you could toss this underneath the couch and have it still plugged in and then just scoot it under, you know, when you had people coming over. But I mean, look, Nancy's in her favorite chair. She is in our silver combination, I believe. We also have it. Yes, we also have it in pink, we have it in green, we have it in blue. Remember, the first one's going to be $34.86. That second one is $30.86. You know, I was in my nail salon the other day. They will rub your feet for 10 minutes for $15.
10 minutes.
10 minutes
exactly.
for $15. Legit shiatsu-inspired massage for $34.86.
For as long as you want.
As long as I want.
And you know what? Talk about gifts, men's gifts. I think they're so hard to find. The silver would be great. A great man's gift. You can take it to work, keep it at home, and of course the
See for a limited time.
I can't even talk about what I'm feeling right now.
Really?
I really can't. Words cannot describe how relaxed I am.
Well,
I'm in a great mood. I'm sure I'm going to be a pleasure to be around later.
You will be. You're always a pleasure to be around. Well, I know somebody else is a pleasure to be around, and that's Miss Sharon Faith. She's standing by to take you through the next couple of hours. Hi, Miss.